In today's video, I am going to tell you about another new smartphone of Samsung. So watch the entire video. If you like the video, then like the video and subscribe to the channel. Jai Surviran Banka. So let's start the video. The name of this smartphone is Samsung Galaxy F70E 5G. If I talk about its weight, then it is 199 gram weight. If I talk about its IP rating, then it is 54 IP rating. If I talk about its battery, then it is 6000 mAh battery. If I talk about its RAM, then it is 6GB RAM and 4GB RAM. Two variant available this smartphone. And if I talk about its storage, then it is 128GB internal storage. If I talk about its sensor, then it is fingerprint sensor, proximity sensor and other sensor. Inside you can see. If I talk about its processor, then it is MediaTek Dimensity 6300 processor. If I talk about its refresh rate, then it is 120Hz refresh rate. If I talk about its color, then it is two color this smartphone available. If I talk about its SIM card slot, then it is two SIM card slot available. And if I talk about its rear camera, then it is 50 megapixel rear camera. If I talk about its front camera, then it is 5 megapixel front camera. If I talk about its this smartphone Indian price, then it is 12,999 rupees this smartphone available. So how was the video? If you like the video, then like the video and subscribe to the channel.